Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I bought this Belle Nail Dust Collector fan. You see me start mess up already. You know someone are really good fun this unboxing thing, so bear with me people, bear with me. Anyways, I got this Belle Home nail dust collector fan on Amazon. I will leave the link for it in the description below. It said nail dust collector fan, and this is the output, the rate of the input rate and the output rate, and the power rate is 10 watt, and the size is 27.5, 0.12, 0.26.5. so yeah, it'll show you the length and the width. Yeah, me know how it's still. Yes, anyways, that's all. I mean, it doesn't have any more information on the box, so make me open it up and we will see what we get inside. All right, because the one I'm currently using, y'all see how dusty my thing them get, so may I forget something. All right, that is the fan, and let me see what else in my box. Oh, I guess the plug and nothing else no left, so fling that over there. So all right, let me open up this so I can fling this over there. So two, and this is the plug. Pass that aside. Here's the plug. Here's the AC adapter plug. You take this part here and you plug it into your outlet, which I have some on my desk because my husband is awesome and he make it for me. Alright, I'm going to put this in the trash because you can't throw everything I got. The boxes that I can pick up, but the trash, plastic, no, not too much, not too much. Alright, take this out of this. I'm going to have to do this. Yes, I love that sound. Tell me sounding not like this. Tell me sounding not like this. Everybody like do that. Alright, put that to the side. Come here to enjoy myself later. Alright, so here we go. Here's the user manual of Belle Homes. Belle, well, it doesn't say Belle Homes, but that's where I got it. Belle Nail Dust Collector. This is the thank you and the user manual. And it comes with one big leaflet where you can open up and read all the instructions. All of them something there. And the precautions. And the da-da-da. And they're showing you what you get. You get the nail dust collector, and it opens out to the side here. This is the filter. That's the filter, and it says not washable. It's not washable. 2 is the switch. I'll show you the switch right here. So the switch is right here. You click it on and off. And right here, so because I'm looking at the diagram, so and I like some smart outline, so I can let me know everything right now. No, it's not that. And there is where you plug the plug in. I'm trying to get the end of the plug. Yeah, it's proven to be a very difficult task, as you can see. And you plug it in, blam, blam, blam. You see how cute? It's so nice, and it fits right on the top of my table, and it's very comfortable. I don't have to stretch up too high. It look good. It's comfortable. Come with it. So I have to go buy these by themselves because they don't even give you a little extra one or anything. But that's fine. We will get some filters from online. I guess they have to sell it because they sell the nail dust collector. But never even check into that. Wow. So you buy things, you just see it and run go buy it and boom. Anyways, let's click this baby right on. I can feel the pull. I can feel the pull. It's not bad. I hope you can hear me still. It's kind of not too loud, but I'm not shouting to get my voice over it. So if you can't hear me, then it's kind of loud. But let's work on this and see if it actually sucks the dust into the fan, so we can see for ourselves if it works. Let me find my nail and work on already. Alright, so middle of this I practice something. I practice something. So let's work on this. And I love the idea is it have the color green so you can see it work for you. I'm going to click on the switch for me. Drill. Okay. As you can see, it is going into the fan. So if I had my clients over and we're talking while I'm buffing their nails, we can still carry on a conversation. I mean, everybody knows you know, these things take a little noise, so it's not too noisy, and it's pulling down the dust. So it really is pulling the dust in. Look at that. It really works. I'm gonna move far away and see if it still works. Still works, guys. You know how high my hand is? Still working, still good, still pulling in the air, the dust into the filter. And I'm way above the dust filter right now. I'm up on the camera and it's still a pull it. I'm up on the camera and it's still pulling that dust. Yes, go check it out. Run go over there, go buy it. Because it works. Look at that. You see this? Are y'all seeing this? Hello. I love it. Alright, I'm going to turn this thing off right now. And show you my filter. Pull my filter out. And as you can see, there's the dust on the filter. It's not all over my desk, on my lap, and everywhere in my room. It's on the filter. It actually pulled the stuff on the filter. Hello. Bang, bang, bang. And we have a winner. And it's the Belle Nail Dust Collector fan. Yes, it worked. It's worth your coins. Run go buy it. I said it. I don't know me. I'm saying if me get something and it no work or it's not worth your money, me not gonna tell you if you run go get it. Cause I do not review things or buy things when me not see worth my time or your time. Okay? Okay. So you go so now because I'm put that in back, and it has two little flaps on the side, and you get that one flap there and you get this one flap here. I don't want to tear it because who knows how fragile these things are, but because them two, this thing hold it nice and strong. You take them apart like so. I'm gonna go so boom, knock it off into my trash can and bleh. Look how clean that is. Ready for go again. Ready to go back inside here, so yes, ready to go back in. Put that back right in there. Go like so. You see? And you get a little brush. Yes, my little leaf-oo brush. My little leaf-oo from MODELONES. I can leave the link for the set when we get this brush out in the description. Okay, gel mash up my brush. Use it, wipe off gel, and it's stiff. It's stiff. You see it? What me come off at the point for? Alright, I'm dusting this down with my little brush, and it's brand new and nice and ready to go again for my next client. Blah, blah, blah. Yes! Belle Nail Dust Collector fan. Worth your coins. Go and get it. Go and get it. Not because I said so. It's worth your money. I mean, that was amazing, because normally I have my little dust collector and it blow the things all over my desk. Right here, look here, clean, 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 clean. There's nothing on my desk, and if anything up on my desk, it did up on it long time. So so yes, I'm gonna try it one more time for yourself. Say I'm not playing. This actually works, and it's pulling the dust. Look here. Look how far me there up in the camera. And that thing is pulling the dust right down to it. Right down into the freaking thing. It's going right in it. In there. Not on my desk. I'm very amazed. I'm very amazed. Good job. Good job at Belle Nail. I don't know anybody else. Maybe I'm the only excited person right now, but you know what? When you have one excited customer, then you can have more than one. Especially when you have a YouTube channel and they can advertise your stuff for you. Anyways, that's it for my unboxing video today. I hope you enjoyed, and Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me turn off this. Come here, yell on stuff. Okay. Thank you for watching my video today. Hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to be fly like Regina Nails BFly. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is my telephone voice. You like it? Because me use it too. Yes, as I was saying, please, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Why? Me not make me can't bother. Alright, anyway. Anyways, yes. All the links for my Instagram and Facebook and so on and so forth is in the description below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Do it. You know you want to. And if you don't want to, do it because I tell you to do it. Alright, I'm sorry. I was being aggressive. My bad. Come on, tell me camera no brush. I'm something them over here, so me that use for work for my nails, so them they all over my desk. Yeah, so love the nail dust collector. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nicely shaped, and if you have a client, their hand is right here on the hand rest. You can put it on the hand rest right here, and you can work on their nails right as so. And let me see if I can shape these little nails right here, because I'm getting my hand ready for a set. I know, Miss Tammy had done it, but sure, it's so fancy that the girl had to just do this again. Even with it off, you can actually file and the dust will go down into it because it's right here in your face. It's right in on your face. It's right there, so you have, and it's so nice as a hand rest. Now my clients won't have their hands floating over my desk because this is my armrest and then their hand is basically floating. So now I can have this right there. They have this cushion for their hand and they have the nail dust collector fan for their wrist. So they're not floating anything, and I can just go ahead and do my work, and I can put this right up to the edge of my desk like so, and I won't have dust on my lap. That's the worst part. When you're done, you have so much dust on your lap. I normally put a towel on my lap because people don't tell you the truth about the dust. It go everywhere. Yeah, so I can put it right up to me, and I can just, because sometimes they stretch their hand right over to here, so y'all see it. So I can work from right here. So get this. Yeah, I'm making the sound of the drill. Me never get my pill this morning, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Me out of here. Bye, guys. Don't forget to be fly like Regina Nails BFly. Bye.